How to change a language on Signal in 2023. So let's start. Open the app. Now go here, click on these three dots and choose settings. Next, choose appearance and now click on language. Normally is default, but you can also choose your language here. So I don't know, we're gonna try Espanol. And that's it. This is how can you change language on Signal in 2023. I'm gonna show you one more time, really quick. So open the app, click on these three dots, click here, this is settings in Spanish, and click appearance and idioma, it means language, click on it and choose English. And that's it. This is how can you do it. Guys, thank you for watching. If you want to support me, please subscribe, hit the like button and see you one click later. Bye bye.